Hi everyone, welcome to Home Cooking by On. Today I'm going to show you how to make a crispy chicken schnitzel. So let's get cooking. Today I'm using 2 pieces of chicken breast and I'm going to slice very thinly. So you should be able to make like 4 slices per breast. Marinate with a little bit of salt. Now it's time to prepare the veggies. So cut the carrot into the sticks, little pieces, and cut the broccoli as a bite size. You can either boil or steam your veggies. Now it's time to coat your chicken breast with the breadcrumbs. So we need flour, breadcrumbs, and 2 eggs. Beat the egg first. So we're gonna start work on 1 piece of chicken breast at a time. So coat with the flour or evenly. Then dip in the egg evenly again, and then lastly coat it with the breadcrumbs. And do the same for the remaining chicken breast. Today I'm shallow fry my chicken, so a little bit of oil, and check with the chopstick if it's bubbling, which means the oil is ready. So we're gonna start cooking the chicken schnitzel now. I'm using medium heat. It's gonna take about 2 to 3 minutes on each side. If you like my channel, please subscribe Home Cooking by On. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.